Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the puzzle page. Yes, the puzzle page of this weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, February the 3rd and February the 4th, 2024. We have here in this puzzle page 6 extra puzzles, 2 Sudokus with 3 stars, 1 killer Sudoku, 2 binaries with 3 stars, both are 10 by 10, and the last puzzle is a tectonic, aka a jigsaw Sudoku. 4 of these puzzles I will solve. Why not all? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And today I've already solved one puzzle. Yeah, the regular puzzle, the medium. And this one, the first one I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku number 7929. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, we have here in this puzzle, in this newspaper, an additional. Well, a 2 star puzzle has 26 printed digits. So this should be a 2 stars puzzle. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. But it's indicated with the 3 stars. And for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 2 stars puzzle or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have a 1 and a 6 in this row, so no 1 and 6 in these 3 boxes. 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those. So we have an 8 in this column. Third column, 8 in the third column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, 4 and 7, 4 and 7, we have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, need 7 here. Alright, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 4 and a 5. We have a 4 and a 5 in this row, so no 4 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9. Excuse me. Need to cough. 289, 289, 289, 289. And look, we have 2 and 8 in the last column, so no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square for number 9. Alright. Then, how about, yeah, 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so the row between. The second row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. We have a 4 in that column, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright. Okay, 1 in this column, last column, 1 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Okay, and now, need a 6, need a 9, need a 8, and a 5. Interesting. 9. 5. Well. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there. Alright, 6 here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here. Or there, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4, I should be there. Let me think. We have a 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5, it should be there. 5, okay. Then. Let me think. 1, 4, 5. Yeah. Come on. We have 8 in the last row. We have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So that row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 279. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers. In this big square, those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 2, 7, 9. So 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. 6 and a 1, we have a 1 in the second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there. 1, okay. 2 and then 9. Alright, what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 2, 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing, 2, 6, 9, okay, 2, 6, 9. Well, cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about these 2 missing numbers in the last column? Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and 6. Okay. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 will be here. Or there, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Yeah. Need a 6 here. That means you need a 6 there. Alright, now 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 5, 3, 7. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, and look, we have 3 and a 7 in this column, so no 3 and a 7 in this box. 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Well, I hate to mark those boxes outside a big square. Anyway, so 1 digit left in this row for number 5, okay. So I need a 5 here. 2, 8, 2, 8, 9, I believe. 2, 8, 9. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are, well, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. And look. This box can be an 8. We have a 2 and 8 in this row. So no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row only. 2 place 11, 8 should be here. Or there, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next only. Place 11, 8 should be there. And again, and all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. But the 1, yeah, 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row, so the first row only. 2 place level 1 should be here. Or there, we have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place level 6 should be there. 6 in the 3, we have a 6 now in this first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. I need a 6 there. Well. Okay. And now, a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above the only place level 9 should be there. A 1 box left in this row for no matter 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. I've marked those 2 boxes, 7 and a 3. We have a 3 now in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for no matter 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for no matter 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for no matter 1, the 2 is missing. Then let me see. 6, 2, and 9. Okay. How about the 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row? So the first row, the only place level of 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 5. How about the 4 then? With all the 4s, and all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 4. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place level, the 2 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 7 and the 9. 7 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing. 3 and a 7. 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this third row for numbers 1. The 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6. 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the third column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only place level, the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 9 then. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place level, the 2 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. We solved it again. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.